Hello, welcome to my channel Crunchy Mood. If you are new to this channel, then like, share and subscribe to my channel. I know it is very hard to carry a whole book of table. So this is the best way to carry your table book. A mini pocket table book. So yeah, let's go. So first, make fan-like folds on a A4 size paper. After doing fan-like folds, your paper should look like this. After making folds, make vertical and horizontal lines. Your paper should look like this. Now border all the lines with a sketch pen or a marker. And now write tables. And after writing all the tables, your mini table pocket book is ready. Subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.